And I'm going to show you why he think he winning. This is what he said. I know so much law, I don't go to jail. That's all the law I need. Then he writes, free from jail. Now I'm laughing. I'm laughing here because of the simple fact that he don't know enough law to understand why he was going to jail in the first place, and we're ready to break it down. Please pay attention. I found myself in a room with people who were not ready to uplift themselves, okay? So I need to make this clear. When I'm dealing with uplifting or trying to help uplift people, I no longer try to go after everybody because everybody is not ready, and I respect that. And if you are dealing with people who are not ready, it only drains your energy. I need that to be made clear. So all my people out here who are teaching and trying to help people, I get it. You want to save everybody. Everybody should have this information, but you cannot save a people who are not ready to be saved or uplifted. I had this guy, he's talking about, oh, my people, my people, we ain't ready for this. I was like, well, my people are rich. We don't have problems with finances and all that. If we want something, we know how to ask the universe for it, and we know how to manifest. So anything we need, we know how to get it. Well, my people, well, shoot, I ain't gonna never say I'm up because he said something to me, and I said, well, okay, if you saying you broke, because that's what he said. He said I'm broke. He said, well, I ain't, but my people, I ain't gonna never say I'm up if they ain't up. So you're gonna stay down with them. Is that what you're saying? You stand down like 4 flat tires. Let me tell you something. My people have inflated tires, every last one of them, and they ready to rock and roll. Those are my people. My people who got inflated tires. My people who ready to rock and roll. We don't have issues with all of this stuff. If there's some knowledge that we want, we're going to find a way to get it. And so I'm talking to these people, and their whole notion is that, oh, this system, we're sick of this system. We want this system to be out of here. And we don't, okay. I'm going to explain something to you about why systems show up. Please listen and pay attention so that we understand why systems show up. Okay, so here we are. And I'm going to zoom in on this. Let's take a look. He was here as a citizen, okay? As a citizen, this is the lowest part on the totem pole. A slave of the corporation to which it pledges, does not have rights, only have privileges which are given to it by the corporation to which it pledges. So he's found a way by going with these Moors to come from up under this corporation, which is the U.S. corporation, and now he's under the Moorish, whatever Moorish corporation that he's under. Now, when we go up this totem pole, we see federal codes, constitution, treaties. All of these things right here, treaties, constitution, federal codes. These are the things that you need, which is what we help provide you with in this package. All right? A treaty is what we help you establish. Constitution and your federal codes. These are the same things that the United States used to gain its independence in 1777. A declaration, which is your treaty. A constitution, which is what we know of as a private document. You can come into class and we'll go through it. And then your federal codes that we help you to establish. So all of those things are what help you to establish your sovereignty and take control of your all capital letter corporation that your mother consented to be created for you. Okay, now we have contract law, which is what we sovereign. So once you come up here into this area here, you got to know how to operate in contract law. If you don't know contract law, you're not even ready to do business because you don't understand the rules of the game. When all of these corporations are coming at you, whether it be light bill company, gas bill, water, mortgage, rent, car note, all of them are contracting with you via contract law. And if you don't understand it, then you can't protect yourself. So contract law, a set of laws which sovereigns worldwide adhere to in commerce. Offer plus acceptance equals contract. You need to understand that whole section there so that you can learn how to walk in law. And when you're standing in law like that, you become a sovereign. Sovereign. A being that is master of self, operates under God's law, has the ability to create laws and constitutions for itself and corporation that it creates. Now, in this room that I found myself in, this guy is going on about how he hates the system and he knows how the system works and he's been dealing with the system and we sick of their system, and he doesn't understand the difference between state and federal. So he's talking about this notice that Anna von Ritz wrote and she sent out concerning what the Pope has said. And the Pope has condemned the United States, and the Pope has condemned a lot of these organizations that are operating. They're saying they're federal, but they're not really federal. Okay? So I need this to be made clear because we have to go over this in class. There's no way for me to give you this information without you really understanding. Here, going back to this. Federal, state, city, county. These are not the same entities. They have specific responsibilities to the public. And if you're dealing here in state and city, they don't have any responsibility to you. Not on the private nor the public side. The private side, the state does have some responsibility to you, but definitely not on the public side. And if you don't understand that, this is why you got to come to class. You're not going to find this information and you go, well, free 99. You're going to find a piece over here. There's a lot of information out here. And the other thing is, when you're on this path to gaining your freedom, you need a mentor. Let me be clear. I wish I had a mentor. If I had a mentor, it would have taken me over a decade to get this information. And then I still have people who they've known me for a long time, more than 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, and they come back and they in trouble because they didn't take me up on my offer in the classes 6, 7 years ago. Now they in trouble. Now they got to get a lawyer. And I promise you that lawyer is going to charge you many times more than what you would have paid in this class instead of trying to go free 99. Now you paying $999,000. That's what you're doing. So either you get it now and you pay now, or you're going to pay a whole lot more later. It's your choice. I'm okay with whatever you decide to do. Remember to keep that bell on for notifications. Follow UNA Republic for more great information.